You're watching Poland Daily Business, and we have a big strain on our medical system all over the Western world. There is a lack of face mask, protective garment, and basic equipment such as ventilators. And recent news from Poland is that life-saving 3D printed ventilator is being designed, and this project is available as an open source. Member of the team, Mr. Szymon Chrupczewski, is our guest. Sir, welcome to the show.
Good morning.
Can you tell us how did you and your team came up to the idea that this particular shortage of ventilators can be solved by the 3D printing?
Well, a couple of days ago, we've read that in Italy, which is a developed country with the wonderful hospitals, and they ran out of the ventilators for the patients, and that was quite shocking. And we started to thought, what will happen if the pandemic will come to India, for example, or Africa, or South America? There will be enormous amount of people who will need treatment, a specialized treatment, and absolutely there will be no medical devices. So we came up with the idea, can we design a ventilator such simple that could be made anywhere in the world locally, and that will make no harm to the patient and could help. So that's the product Ventilate, which is an open source ventilator, and it's also a question for the community, and our great request for the community to help us to develop that product, to have contact with the medical staff, with the engineers, with the specialists, to develop further the next prototypes and to certificate them.
So you are the unveiling of the project is it's really hours from this time. This happened yesterday. So please tell us at what stage you are at the moment.
Well, we've tested the first prototypes, and yes, they work. Yes, the technical parameters, technical requirements are met with this project. But in this week and 2-3 days, we'll have the next prototype, which will test in the professional equipment, the usage of professional equipment in the hospital in Poland. So, and depending on the outcome, we'll leave the guidance to the community, what should be made next, what changes in design should we make, how can we cooperate with very similar initiatives in Poland and also in Europe to design the proper product.
Mm-hmm. Because the files are already available. Those who want to take a part can log into your website and take the files.
Yes, the files are constantly changing. We are developing and trying to make it more available to the community. Well, we are asking the professional engineers to download, to change, to verify, but not to print. It's too early. It's not the stage for producing it. So now we are developing.
Okay. And what is the reaction of the medical community in Poland on this project?
Actually, those who understand the purpose, the idea of that, it's not a professional equipment, and it won't be the professional equipment. It's the device of the last resort. When there's no professional equipment in the remote areas, yes, probably that'll be the last resort equipment that can save a human life. So, and the medical staff who understand that is very, very enthusiastic. So we are very, very grateful to the physicians, to the medical staff who helped us, who gave us the proper information how we should develop this project further.
You are using the very simple products available in pretty much every hardware store. What is the current cost of this project? Like,
well, now the parts cost about 200, 250, maybe 300 zlotys. It's very, very low cost. And with the further development, we are hoping not to get over 400 or 500 zlotys. So it's still very, very cheap.
So around 100 euro or $100, and that's
right. Mm-hmm. That's right.
So all the best, and we really keep fingers crossed. As far as I've heard, there is an international response to your project.
Yes, we didn't expect the international response, but we are very grateful. So that means that more people will be involved. More people with the proper knowledge and the technical skills who could help to develop this project.
Yeah, we see that phones are ringing you constantly, so you are probably very busy.
Sorry for that. I cannot turn it off.
No. Of course, I mean
Yeah.
This is an important project, and you are busy and needed elsewhere. But meanwhile, thank you very much for participating in Poland Daily Business Show, Mr. Krupalski, who was designer of the ventilator. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And that was it for Poland Daily Business tonight.